The work done in moving a body between 2 points in a conservative field is independent of. Option C is correct. An example of non-conservative force is Option C is correct. Which of the following is not a correct unit for work? Option C is correct. An object moves in a circle at constant speed. The work done by the centripetal force is 0 because Option D is correct. What is? Option C is correct. What per hour is a unit of? Option D is correct. 1 horsepower is equal to. Option B is correct. The electrical energy consumed by 100-watt bulb in 10 seconds is. Option C is correct. Joules is the SI unit of which pair? Option C is correct. The dimensions of power are. Option C is correct. The average power and instantaneous power become equal when work is done at. Option D is correct. If work is done at the rate of 1,000 joule per second, then the power of machine is. Option B is correct. The unit of power in British engineering system is. Option D is correct. For constant force, the shape of the graph between power and velocity will be. Option D is correct. A light body A and a heavy body B have equal linear momentum. The kinetic energy of the body A is. Option B is correct. A 1 kilogram mass has a kinetic energy of 1 joule when its speed is. Option C is correct. If the kinetic energy of a body is increased by 300%, its momentum will increase by. Option A is correct. Work is always done in a body when. Option D is correct. The decrease in the potential energy of a ball of a mass 20 kilograms, which falls from a height of 50 centimeters, is. Option B is correct. Which of the following bodies has the largest kinetic energy? Option C is correct. The amount of work required to stop a moving object is equal to. Option B is correct. No kinetic energy is possessed by. Option D is correct. The ratio of kinetic energy of 2 bodies is 1 to 2. For constant momentum, the ratio of their masses will be. Option B is correct. If momentum increases by 10%, then increase in kinetic energy will be. Option C is correct. If increase in kinetic energy is 300%, then increase in momentum will be. Option C is correct. The kinetic energy of a body is numerically equal to the double the momentum of the body. The velocity of the body in s.I units is. Option C is correct. The kinetic energy of ball of mass 10 g and momentum 1000 g/s is? Option A is correct. The kinetic energy of a body is numerically equal to thrice the momentum of the body. The velocity of the body in SI units is? Option D is correct. The escape velocity of a particle of mass m varies as? Option B is correct. A body of mass 3 kilograms lies on the surface of a table 2m high. It is moved on the surface by 4m. The change in potential energy will be? Option C is correct. A body of mass 2 kilograms moving with velocity of 4 meters per second has kinetic energy equal to? Option B is correct. Kilowatt-hour is the unit of? Option C is correct. When the mass and speed of a body are doubled, the kinetic energy becomes? Option B is correct. 1 kilogram mass has kinetic energy of 1 joule when its speed is? Option C is correct. The dimensions of gravitational potential are? Option A is correct. An elevator weighting 2.5 times 10n is raised to a height of 10m. Neglecting friction, the work done is? Option B is correct. To stay up to date with my latest videos, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.